Guys, it's your boy Marlson, and I'm back at it again with another video. And right now I got a new house, as you see. You never seen this vlog before. You saw an old house where it was small, so you guys never saw this house before. So guys, right now me and my brother are playing hide and seek, and so you guys, the hider gets to have the camera, so you guys can see what's in my house, like what rooms, and guys. So we just before this video we knew who's gonna count first, and it's my brother. So yeah, so my brother needs to count to 100, no, to 30, and he will go. Okay, I'll say count to 30. No, you said you wanna be the one that's counting.
What?
Oh, count.
I'm not playing anymore.
Austin, then you're high. Guys, he changed his mind, so I think I'm gonna be counting. So see ya.
Never mind.
Austin, come on, go hide.
Okay.
Don't turn it off because I wanna.
Whoa!
I'm just gonna go
Well,
hide.
check this out.
First, let me check.
What's this? Oh my goodness. Check this out. This is so cool. Oh my. What's this?